Removing and tightening bolts by hand takes time and effort, but some cordless ratchets still struggle with performance. A good one can speed up your work instantly. Here are the 5 best cordless ratchets you should know.
So, let's get started. Starting at number 5 is the Bolt Cordless Ratchet Wrench, a beginner-friendly tool that offers solid performance for light-duty, automotive and home repair tasks. If you're tired of manually tightening bolts or struggling in tight spaces, this cordless ratchet can make your work faster and easier. This wrench typically comes with multiple sockets and extension bars, giving you flexibility for different jobs like basic car maintenance, furniture assembly and mechanical repairs. The compact design makes it especially useful for working in narrow areas where traditional tools can't reach. One of its standout features is its lightweight construction, which helps reduce hand fatigue during extended use. This makes it a good option for beginners or DIY users who don't want to handle heavy tools. The rechargeable battery system adds convenience, allowing cordless operation without being restricted by power cables. It also offers decent torque output for small and medium-sized bolts. However, compared to higher-ranked models, it may lack professional-grade power and long-term durability, making it better suited for occasional use rather than heavy-duty work. Overall, if you're looking for an affordable cordless ratchet wrench for light DIY tasks, the Bolt Cordless Ratchet Wrench is a practical choice that earns the number 5 spot. Coming in at number 4 is the Fully Yi Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set, a versatile option designed for users who want more accessories and flexibility in their toolkit. This set usually includes multiple sockets, adapters and extension tools, making it suitable for a wide range of repair tasks. Whether you're working on vehicles, bicycles or home projects, the included accessories expand its usability. One of the key strengths of this wrench is its balanced power and compact size, allowing you to handle most everyday fastening tasks with ease. The ergonomic grip also improves comfort, especially during longer work sessions. Another advantage is its cordless rechargeable battery, which provides convenience and ability when working in garages or outdoor environments. The wrench delivers decent torque, making it suitable for loosening stubborn bolts without excessive effort. However, while it offers good value for the price, it may not match the precision and long-term durability of premium brands. Still, if you want a feature-rich ratchet set with plenty of accessories, the Fully Yi Cordless Ratchet Wrench Set is a solid mid-range choice that earns the number 4 spot. Taking the number 3 spot is the AOBEN Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set, a popular choice known for its reliability and consistent performance. This model is designed to handle both light and medium-duty tasks, making it suitable for automotive repairs, equipment maintenance, and general mechanical work. One of its standout features is its strong torque output, which helps remove tight bolts efficiently. This makes it particularly useful for users who regularly work on vehicles or machinery. The tool also features an ergonomic handle design, improving comfort and control during operation. This helps reduce strain during longer projects. Another benefit is its quick-charging lithium-ion battery, ensuring you can get back to work without long delays. The included accessories add versatility, allowing you to tackle various fastening applications. However, compared to higher-end models, it may lack advanced durability features and premium construction, making it better suited for regular DIY or semi-professional use. If you're looking for a reliable and well-balanced cordless ratchet wrench, the AOBEN Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set earns the number 3 spot. At number 2 is the AOBEN Cordless Ratchet Wrench Kit, an upgraded version designed for users who need more power and improved performance. This wrench offers variable speed control, allowing you to adjust the speed based on the task. This improves accuracy and helps prevent damage to bolts or materials. One of its biggest strengths is its enhanced torque capability, making it suitable for tougher applications like automotive maintenance and mechanical repairs. The compact head design design allows it to fit into tight engine compartments, making it ideal for car enthusiasts and mechanics. Another advantage is its durable construction, which improves reliability over time. The kit also includes multiple accessories, increasing its versatility across different tasks. Compared to standard cordless ratchets, this model delivers better power, control, and efficiency, making it suitable for more demanding jobs. However, while it performs well, it still may not match the professional-grade quality of premium brands. If you want a powerful and versatile cordless ratchet wrench for frequent use, the Aoban Cordless Ratchet Wrench Kit earns the number 2 spot. Taking the number 1 spot is the DeWalt 20V Max XR Cordless Ratchet, a professional-grade tool known for its durability, power, and precision. DeWalt is widely trusted in the tool industry, and this ratchet reflects that reputation with its high-performance motor and rugged design. One of its biggest advantages is its 20V Max battery system, which delivers strong and consistent torque. This makes it suitable for demanding tasks such as automotive repair and heavy-duty mechanical work. The ratchet also features a sealed head design, protecting internal components from dust and debris. This significantly improves durability and extends tool life. Another standout feature is its compact and ergonomic build, allowing you to work comfortably in tight spaces without sacrificing power. It also offers smooth variable speed control, giving you better precision when tightening or loosening bolts. Compared to other models on this list, the DeWalt stands out with its professional-level performance, reliability, and build quality. While it may cost more than entry-level options, the long-term durability and efficiency make it a worthwhile investment. If you want the best cordless ratchet wrench for both professionals and serious DIY users, the DeWalt 20V Max XR Cordless Ratchet easily takes the number 1 spot.